All right, World War III is upon us.
Hit the alarm. This is the fallout shelter. Basically, if a bomb went off somewhere in the world, I hope to God it doesn't, but we were just living here for 2 weeks.
Just walked out of Chiang Mai airport, and I'm here to show you guys what might be the craziest house in all of Chiang Mai. Apparently it has a nuclear bomb shelter, and I'm gonna tell you how much it costs. We're gonna do a full tour. The place is called Sanctum. It's super cool from the outside, but I want to see what it's like in the inside, and I really want to check out that nuclear fallout shelter. So, got the owner of the place right here. Come on in and introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Augie.
So Augie, you built Sanctum?
Yeah, designer, builder. I didn't build it myself per se, but yeah, this is my baby. This is my project. That's right.
Wow, when did you build it?
It's completed about 4 years ago.
Holy cow, so let's just back up, because I just got
Sure.
out of the airport. Where the hell are we? What part of town are we in?
So we're in Chiang Mai City, and this is Nong Kwai. And it's 2 minutes from Chiang Mai Night Safari, which is also 2 minutes from the Royal Flora Gardens. So we're just on the outskirts of the city. It's 15-20 minutes to the airport, but as you can see, we're kind of in the jungle here. We got nature all around, and it's nice and quiet. Birds are chirping.
Augie and I know each other through a mutual friend, G-Mac. G-Mac showed up in some of my old videos. Shout out to you, G-Mac.
Yeah, G-Mac.
So Augie, I've never been inside, man. Where do we start?
Okay, so this is the main entrance for the garage. It's a 4-car garage, but we have the guest entrance just to the side. So as you can see, we got a massive steel hydraulic door. So if we're on lockdown mode and that's closed, then we'll use the main entrance. So come on.
Wait, are we going straight to the nuclear shelter?
Oh, no. I gotta see if there's if we can get clearance for that first. You know, it's classified G14, you know. It's a highly secure area, but I'll see if we can get us in, you know, for a peek, you know.
Okay, so this is the main entrance here?
This is the main entrance. Got a nice gate here.
Look at the size of the gate. The first thing you notice here, Augie, is the landscaping. Is this all natural? Did you build the house around it, or did you create the landscape?
Well, we actually have 2 more plots for 2 more villas. So if anybody wants a Sanctum villa, we have land for it.
Built to order?
Right, built to spec, built to order.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
So, and the total budget's based on the client. Whatever they want the price to be, we just have a markup on that. So it's up to them how they want to finish it, basically. So the main entrance here, and as you can see, you can lock that behind you, and then we got a secure entrance. Nobody else is getting in. And then we can open up the main door. So let's get in.
Check this out. Oh, it's like a double airlock.
Right. Security. It's all about security.
Another massive door here.
There we go. Now we're in the premises.
I know where I'm coming when World War III breaks out.
Right.
Oh, so this brings us right back around to the parking garage.
Right, which you can see that the door's been shut, so we're totally secure here. Now you are permitted entry. Welcome. Okay. Here we are.
All right, so what do we got here?
Well, we've got a little gymnasium. Underneath the stairs, we have what's going to be a wine room. It's not yet finished yet, but it's a perfect area for all your wine and whiskey collection. And let's show you the rest of the villa. Come on up.
Look at the stairwell here. So it's got like this indoor-outdoor vibe.
That's right, yes, exactly. Half of it's indoors, half of it's outdoors. That's right, yeah. So this is the second floor, and we have our living room here, kitchen, and our saltwater swimming pool.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll get in there in just a sec, and then it keeps going up.
Keeps going up.
It's this crazy architecture, man. Who conceived of all of the architecture in here?
That's me and a lot of cannabis. That's what that was. For real.
Really?
Late at night. Yeah, a lot of cannabis, a lot of designs, ideas.
Just kept coming up with good ideas.
Just coming up with ideas, whether they're good, but yeah. So this is the living room.
Yeah.
It's a 75-inch TV, and basically every room in this villa, you have floor-to-ceiling seamless glass windows, which allows you to see the greenery. The inspiration was a cave. So if you picture we're in a cave right now, and you look out into the opening, and for me, when I look at the plants, it gives me peace and tranquility. Oh yeah, we were in that book. Dr. Bradley Garrett came up here and he spent 3 days with me. And he gave us a chapter in his book, Bunker, Building for the End Times. So he basically flew around the world and he went to different bunkers, and some were like underground missile silos, and then there was ours, which is just a villa that's fortified and luxury. So
look at this kitchen, dude.
I do like the kitchen, actually. The kitchen is pretty sweet. We got built-in Bosch appliances, microwave, oven, coffee maker. This thing gets used daily. Bosch fridge. And I tell you, the kitchen, we spend a lot of time here.
There's not many villas like this place.
This is
you
true.
see stuff like this in the islands, Phuket,
Right.
Samui.
High-end stuff, yeah.
But I've never seen a place like this in Chiang Mai. Is it totally unique?
It's so unique, they weren't sure if it was a house or a spa or a hotel or a school. So we've had a lot of people wondering what it is, but this is just my house. This is how I designed it and I wanted to live.
So what's included when someone buys it? Do they get all the appliances?
Oh yeah.
Furniture?
Furniture, they get all the furniture, except for the artwork on the 3rd floor. I'm taking that with me, but I'll show you that later. So here we have automatic sliding doors, which I'm really happy we put these in, because we're constantly in and out, in and out. And if you had to like manually slide them, that'd be a lot of work, so. Right, 2nd floor, indoor, outdoor, covered in the rain, in the sun. And we got some gas barbecues here as well for cooking. So if you want to have a party and entertain, you got people in the pool, you got music, you got barbecue. What else do you need?
Have you had some good parties here?
Oh yeah, there's been a few thrashers, yeah. It's a nice space to entertain. So if you're entertaining, we open up the glass doors and we've got music throughout, and it's just a nice house to entertain.
Music throughout, like smart home type stuff?
Oh yeah. So we got a home automation system, over 2 million baht just for the home automation. I can control the entire house with my app on my phone.
Okay, let's keep going, Augie, but
right.
first who's this here?
So that's Gapong. I'd be careful. He's old.
Kapong will scratch me?
He might try to scratch and bite you because he's just an old cat. So this is going up to the 3rd floor. Let's show you our guest room.
So when you say guest room, is this something that you just have friends over, or is this something you rent out?
Actually, we're doing Airbnb on this. So the guests are paying 4,600 a night to sleep in this guest room. And we're booked solid. It's a lot of demand, you know, because they live in the treetops, basically.
So if someone buys the house, they could keep that going.
If they wanted to,
They
yeah.
could inherit that Airbnb.
If they want, that's right, yeah, we could
Or
transfer
they
it.
could take it over and consider it another bedroom.
Right, exactly, yeah.
How many bedrooms does the place have?
So it's on the 3rd floor, we have 3 bedrooms, and then the spa room could be a 4th bedroom. So, but that's also our nuclear fallout shelter. So 3 plus 1.
Did you create all this landscaping?
I did. Unfortunately, I put in every tree and plant myself. I like plants, not so much anymore. It's a lot of work. So if you like trees and plants, this is the villa for you, because it's definitely got its greenery.
This looks like a nice Airbnb.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what's this?
Oh, this is our soaking tub. Japanese onsen soaking tub.
Wow.
So it's open air as well. We've got mosquito screen covering it, so there's no bugs or snakes or lizards getting in here, but we get the fresh air to come in. So the bathroom's always fresh and there's no humidity. And here's all the artworks from the Italian artist from Venice.
So this is the stuff you're keeping?
Yeah, I've grown to like it a lot. This is our bedroom. Me and my wife and my daughter live in here. And I'll show you my daughter's toy room, which used to be my office that she commandeered and is now her toy room.
How old's your daughter?
She's 6, going on 16. In there, we've got all the inverters for the electrical is in here, because we have 12,000 watts of solar on the roof.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
So what is the electric bill generally on an average month for you guys? Because you got Airbnb guests, they must be cranking AC.
Yeah, it's 15 to 18 a month.
15 to 18 a month?
That's with the solar.
That's not bad, I guess, for a place this size.
Yeah, because the solar during the daytime, it's just covering pretty much all the usage, so we're happy about that.
Yeah.
And then our master bedrooms here is the same as the guest room, except for this room's attached. So we are living in it, so it's a bit, messy, but yeah, it's the same. So we get to wake up to this. Chris, I got to show you this. This is the blinds. And if anybody puts in a house with a lot of windows, you need remote blinds, blackout blinds. Okay, and we'll come and look at the sky deck next. So it's just the outdoor sitting area on the 3rd floor. We come out here at night, look at the moon, the stars. In the evening, it's lovely. And at nighttime, we see all the pool lights down below. It's a gorgeous area in the nighttime.
Yeah, man, I marvel at your design work.
Thanks, Chris. Appreciate that.
So what part of town are we in again? Can you remind me? And the lay of the land of people, international schools. Where's Doi Sutep? Where's like Old Town? How far are we from things?
Yeah, so this area of the city is called Hangdong.
Hangdong.
Yeah, and it's typically more families move to this area of the city because there's a lot of schools in this area, Hangdong. So we're not in the old city, and we like that because the traffic in the city is getting quite intense.
Yeah.
So we're 15, 20 minutes from the international airport, 15 minutes to the nearest close shopping mall, and you got a lot of restaurants here.
The only thing left, I think, is the nuclear fallout shelter. Is that accurate?
Yeah, and I think we got clearance to go check it out.
Okay, where is that?
So that's on the ground floor. Before you go, I want to show you something I forgot to mention before. A couple years ago, we won some architectural awards. We won an award for Best Residential Development in Thailand, and the second one was Architectural Multiple Residence for Thailand.
So that means that you could be living in Augie's award-winning architectural dream.
Yeah.
But enough about the awards, Augie. I've been waiting to see the nuclear shelter. Can we get down there?
Let's do it. I think the clearance got processed. You're clear to view it.
All right, World War III is upon us.
Hit the alarm. This is the fallout shelter.
Oh, so you got command center?
Oh, command center.
So what do you do? Follow along on what's going on outside in the real world as you're locked down?
Yeah, this is my workstation, and I got a YouTube channel. This is where I do all my editing.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
What's it called? Give it a plug, man. We're here and it's up.
Switchback Trading.
All right. So Switchback Trading, a collection of whiskey. This is only going to take you through the first week or so of the fallout. What's this? A crossbow?
Yeah, you need some. I do it for fun, archery. It's a compound bow.
So you're ready to survive.
Ready to do what you need to do to take care of your family.
And so what makes this a shelter?
Right, good question. All of these walls are poured reinforced concrete. There's no windows in here. Radiation cannot penetrate through. And this door has 2 right angles, so radiation doesn't go around corners, fallout radiation doesn't. Basically, if a bomb went off somewhere in the world, I hope to God it doesn't, but we would just live in here for 2 weeks for all the fallout to dissipate. You're welcome to join, Chris.
Well, I like it. You got the whiskey, I'll bring some gin. And so is this it?
Well, I mentioned before, this is also the spa room. So welcome to this luxury spa.
So you're gonna need a couple of Thai masseuses
at the apocalypse, yeah.
After the apocalypse have on standby. Look at this has this complete spa feel to it.
I reckon you'll be pretty stressed during that, so. Yeah.
So, Augie, I'll come here, I'll get a daily rub down. Oh, another big bath. Yeah. What is this?
Here is a steam room.
A steam room?
Yeah. And
beautiful.
We got supplies in here too. We got an air filter, there's water purification, there's meal ready food packets they use in the army where you just add water, stuff like that. So 2 weeks we'd survive in here, but hopefully we never have to use it as that, right? Keep it as a spa room.
Okay, so we're back out now in the car park. And the last little bit of the house, I see Augie over here. What's this, Augie?
This is my side garden chill area, just to enjoy the landscape and the plants and the nature and the birds. Just enjoy the world, you know, enjoy life out here.
I cannot get over your landscaping. Honestly, dude, you said you planted all of these.
Yeah, it was a lot of work.
All right, so let's take them back out front.
Right.
We got to tell them how much it costs.
Yeah, so the price is, I think it's okay, but I'm a bit biased, right?
Okay, so then I'm going behind the camera, and you got to tell us how much it costs. I'm very curious.
60 million, you can have a Sanctum Villa.
60 million.
Yeah, Thai baht, or 1.8 US roughly, so. Which is reasonable, I think. For what you get, it's 760 square meters.
For turnkey.
Right.
Sanctimonious. Sanctum Central.
Ready to move in, ready to move in.
Okay, amazing. Well, thanks, Augie. If you want any real estate in Thailand, reach out, connect at retiredworkingforyou.com. Agents all over Thailand, but you should check this place out. You would own, I would say, the nicest villa I've ever seen in Chiang Mai. And I'll close by saying Chiang Mai is set to boom.
It is,
like they're building a new airport, right?
You're right, building new airport, shopping malls. It is. It's a nice place to live. Maximum 30 minutes to get anywhere, and it's got everything you need. Lovely place to live.
Yeah, when that new airport opens, like real estate here is just going to keep popping off. So thanks a lot, brother.
Thank you so much for coming, Chris.
Connect at retiredworkingforyou.com. Buy Augie's house, and I'll come have a beer with you in your fallout shelter.